Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. The force multiplier. A force multiplier is someone who has a positive impact on others and amplifies the effects of their team, leading to enhanced overall performance and success. Got this one, and specifically thinking about an interview that I got coming up with Roland Lazenby. He wrote the book about Irvin Magic Johnson. And if there was one person in this world that you could use as a example of a force multiplier, a teammate who makes you and makes everybody better, it would be Irvin Magic Johnson. And I'll be interviewing Roland next week. We had a great conversation yesterday. And I love this whole concept because you can be a force multiplier within your group, within your family, by being a good example. Raising the boats. Talk about raising the boats all the time. Raising other people up so that you make them better. That's exactly what Irvin Johnson did throughout his whole basketball career and his business career, is we try to just make people better when we surround ourselves with people that really buy into what we're doing. So be a force multiplier. Think about this. Be a point guard in your life. Be the director. Be the person who's going to raise the boat. Be the leader that you can be. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. I'm Papa Tom. Have a great day, everybody. Be a force multiplier in your life. It will pay off. Peace out, everybody. Love y'all.